Hello, myself Kinjal Patel. Welcome to my channel Basic of Mathematics. Today our topic in arithmetic progressions, we take here example based on AND and SN mixed. We already make 3 videos. In this 3 video we include definition of arithmetic progressions, nth term finding formula and SN term finding formula. In this first question, second question and third questions, we include this mixed example based on AN and SN. In first question is an is equal to 5 minus 7n. Find arithmetic progression and Sn. In previous video, you have arithmetic progression is given, and by using this arithmetic progression, you want to find an, that means nth term, and you want to find their Sn, means sum to n term. But here an is given and you want to find arithmetic progression. So for solution of first question, first of all, you should be write what is given in your question. So you should be write here an is equal to 5 minus 7n, and you want to find arithmetic progression. So arithmetic progression is equal to question mark, and sum of first n term, yeah, sum to n term is equal to question mark, because you want to find two things here. Now by using given thing, first of all you want to find here arithmetic progression. So how? An is equal to 5 minus 7n. Instead of n, you should be write 1, put n is equal to 1. So you can get a1. a1, that means first term. So put n is equal to 1. a1 is equal to 5 minus 7 into 1. So this is equal to 5 minus 7, which is equal to minus 2. So this minus 2 is your first term. So you can write a1 is equal to minus 2. Same way put n is equal to 2. So instead of n, you should be write 2. a2 is equal to 5 minus 7 into 2. 5 minus 14, so it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this is your 9, but biggest digit sign minus 9. So your a2 is equal to minus 9. Same way, put n is equal to 3. So a3 is equal to 5 minus 7 into 3. So this is your 5 minus 7, 3 is at 21. So you have 21 minus 5, so 11 and 1, so here is your 16. So 16 and biggest digit sign minus. So your a3 is equal to minus 16. Similarly, you can find so many terms of given arithmetic progression. So what is your answer about arithmetic progression? So thus arithmetic progression is first term is minus 2, second term is minus 9, third term is minus 16 dot dot dot. So this is your arithmetic progression. By using this arithmetic progression, you should be write here a is equal to minus 2. That means a is your first term. B is the a2 minus a1. That means what is your a2 here? Minus 9. Minus of minus 2. So you have minus 9 plus 2. That means minus 7. So your D is minus 7. After getting value of A and D, use Sn formula and put value of A and D. Now, what is your Sn formula? Sn formula is n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n as it is, 2 as it is, instead of a put its value minus 2, n minus 1, instead of d put its value minus 7. Now simplify this. So you have Sn is equal to n upon 2 plus minus minus 2 2s are 4 minus 4, multiply minus 7 inner side. So minus 7n minus minus plus 7. So you have Sn is equal to n upon 2 minus 4 plus 7 plus 3 and minus 7. If you want to multiply inner side, otherwise write this as it is. So this is your sum to n term of given arithmetic progressions. Now consider second example. In this second example, read question carefully. Which is the first negative term of arithmetic progression 112, 107, 102 dot dot dot. That means you want to find here which first term is negative. In this arithmetic progression we have so many negative terms, but you want to find which first term is negative. So for solution of second question, write given here in arithmetic progression. What is your arithmetic progression? 112, 107, 102 dot dot dot. So A is 112, D is 107 minus 112. So your D is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So minus 5. So D is your minus 5, A is 112. Now what is your question? Which is the first negative term of arithmetic progression? So you supposed to take sum an is first negative term. So for sum n, let an is negative. That means your an is negative, that means less than 0. For sum n, exactly you don't know value of n. So that's why I am supposed to take some variable n. Now put its formula. An formula is a plus n minus 1 into d, which is less than 0. So a is 112, n minus 1, d is minus 5, which is less than 0. Now simplify this. 112, change side of this. So this 112 plus minus minus 5 into n minus 1 less than 0. Change this side of whole. So you can take one side's n terms and one side's numerical. So 112 less than, this minus become a plus. So 0 plus 5 into n minus 1. Now this 5 in form of a product. So take divide 5 both sides. So you have 112 divided by 5 less than 5 into n minus 1 divided by 5. 5 cancel. Divide 112 by 5. 112 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10 here. 12. 5 2s are 10. 2. 0. 5 4s are. So you get 22.4 less than n minus 1. Now take 1, add 1 both sides. So you have 22.4 plus 1 less than n minus 1 plus 1. So this is cancelled. So 22.4 plus 1, that means you have 23.4 less than n. So I again explain these calculations because some students are not understanding these all steps. Here your first term negative find करना है. So you supposed to take sum n, its nth term is negative, and negative, that means it is less than 0. That's why I take here an is less than 0. Now put an formula, then put corresponds value and just simplify. Now after simplifying you getting 23.4 less than n. That means n is bigger than 23.4. But we know n is a number of term, so it's never be in term of decimal fractions. So you can just 23.4's after natural number is 24. So you can write first negative term is n is equal to 24. This symbol represent you can take n more than 23.4, you getting its all term is negative 0. But in our question you want to find first negative term. So your first negative term is 24. Now consider one more example. In this next example, you have Sn given and you want to find En. In first question, You have an and you want to find Sn. So this is the converse of example 1. In third question, Sn is equal to n square plus 2n, find an. Here Sn is equal to n square plus 2n, an is equal to question mark. Whenever you have Sn given and an you want to find, we know its relationship. What is the relationship formula of an and Sn? So we know an is equal to Sn minus 1. You should be use this relationship here. So an as it is, instead of Sn you should be write n square plus 2n, and instead of Sn minus 1 convert this in form of this. So n की जगह पे you have to write n minus 1. Instead of n you should be write n minus 1. So you can write this is n minus 1 square plus 2 times n minus 1. It's too easy. Sn is this, so definitely Sn minus 1 is, instead of n you should be write n minus 1. Now give proper attention whenever you simplify, because there is probability of mistake plus minus sign. So n square plus 2n minus plus minus n minus 1 whole square. Minus plus minus 2 times n minus 1. First of all you remove this bracket. Then n square plus 2n. Now simplify this bracket. A minus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is n square minus 2n into 1, that means 2n plus 1 square is 1. Now multiply 2 inner side, so this is minus 2n minus plus 2. So this is n square plus 2n, multiply minus inner side, so inner sign will be changed. So minus plus minus n square minus plus 2n minus plus minus 1 minus 2n plus 2. This is plus 2n minus 2n cancel, plus n square cancel. So what is your remaining step? Here is 2n, this 2n and this 2n is cancelled. This n square cancel. Minus 1 plus 2 become a plus 1. So this is your an. By using Sn you find here an. If you really like my channel, please share and subscribe it. Thank you.